Welcome to our mini washing machine showdown. Today, we're comparing two popular portable washers, the Super Deal Compact Mini Twin Tub Washing Machine and the Portable Washing Machine. Both of these machines are designed for small spaces, making them perfect for apartments, dorms, and RVs. But how do they stack up against each other? Let's dive in and find out. The Super Deal Washing Machine features a twin tub design that allows for simultaneous washing and spinning, which can save you time. In contrast, the portable washing machine has a foldable design, making it easy to store and transport. While the twin tub design is great for efficiency, the foldable feature of the portable washer is ideal for those with limited space. When it comes to capacity, the portable washing machine offers a larger overall capacity of 16 liters, making it suitable for more laundry at once. On the other hand, the Super Deal model has a washing capacity of 8 pounds and a spinning capacity of 5 pounds, which may require more frequent loads for larger items. The Super Deal washing machine operates with a manual transfer of clothes between the washer and spinner, which may be less convenient for some users. In contrast, the portable washing machine features multiple cleaning modes, allowing for different wash times depending on your needs. This can make laundry day more flexible and efficient. In conclusion, both the Super Deal Compact Mini Twin Tub Washing Machine and the Portable Washing Machine have their unique advantages. If you prioritize efficiency and don't mind a manual operation, the Super Deal might be the right choice for you. However, if you need something lightweight and easy to store with a larger capacity, the Portable Washing Machine is a fantastic option. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more product comparisons.